Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Fatia Ramasolihati and my friend
Hazwa Betul Primatia.
We are from 10 group.
Today we will present an essay assessment resulting from our discussion on the topic of clinical care nursing. Keep watching!
Title of our essay is The Role of Critical Care in Management of COVID-19 focus on the prevention of infection.
Lately, the world community was shocked by the coronavirus outbreak that originated in the city of Wuhan, China in November 2019 last year. Coronavirus attacked the human respiratory tract quickly. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on health can be seen through the number of positive COVID-19 cases, mortality, and education in health service coverage. Higher positive COVID-19 cases were found around the center of government and economic activities. The body one contains the COVID-19 virus spreads. The COVID-19 virus spreads through animal and human as hosts. COVID-19 viruses can adhere to various surfaces and survive for hours today at temperatures of 21 to 23 degrees Celsius and 40 to 65% humidity. The release of this new virus can infect the kidney, liver, intestine, and T-cell cells, and also infect the respiratory tract in lungs, where the main symptoms of COVID-19 occur. Until now, the world has survived many deaths as a result of this COVID in terms of loss of human life, economic impact, and increased poverty.
In general, there are only a few options for treating disease caused by a virus that occurs quickly. As a result, to date, there is no effective vaccine or treatment to prevent COVID-19 infection. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, teaches basic measures for the prevention of COVID-19 infection to both health professionals and the general public, namely by washing hands or using disinfectant solution, using self-protection tools such as a mask or a glove and a protection, can be avoiding contact with patients to prevent the spread of the virus through droplets. With such an indirect form of prevention, it can reduce the level of virus transmission by up to 10%, reduce the curve of COVID-19 case by 20 until 14. Therefore, one way not to get infection with COVID-19 is should use some mask to prevention the virus from entering through the respiratory tract.
The next topic is about COVID-19 virus vaccination. COVID-19 vaccines are given so that the body recognizes the virus and produce and stimulate the formation of immunity so that it can fight the virus in the body. With vaccination, it helps to reduce the confirmation case, maintain the productivity of the community, protect public health, and promote the group immunity. To form an immune group that at least 70% of the population is vaccinated. The COVID vaccine used has passed preclinical and clinical trial by BBVOM, so it is warranted quality and safety. Vaccination or immunization aims to make a person immune systemable to recognize and quickly fight the bacteria virus that cause an infection. The goal of COVID-19 vaccine is to reduce the number of deaths and pain caused by the virus. Although not 100% can protect person from coronavirus infection, the vaccine can reduce the likelihood of serious symptoms and complications from COVID-19. In addition, COVID-19 vaccination aims to stimulate the formation of herd immunity or immunity to keep the body in a normal state.
The conclusion of the Journal on COVID-19 on Health is that the COVID-19 pandemic has a major impact on public mental health caused by factors such as economic recession, anxiety, and stress caused by this pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic also affects healthcare. Research also showed that individuals are willing to do precautionary practice such as washing their hands with soap and running water, wearing a mask, and keeping a safe distance of 1 meter from others. The authorities have an important role to play in the implementation of health protocols in tourist areas, especially to prevent a new spread of COVID-19 in those tourist areas.